Boosted is best known for its orange-wheel electric longboard, but that is about to change because the company has made the largest expansion so far in its product line. Today 4 new license plates were announced in 2 different ways, including the company's smallest and cheapest electric skateboard, Boosted Mini. The Boosted Mini comes in 2 versions, a standard S-range model that lasts up to 7 miles and has a maximum speed of 18 miles per hour, and an extended X-range that can do about 14 miles with a maximum speed of approximately 20 miles per hour. The Boosted Mini S will cost $749 and will be shipped in May, making it the most economical boosted pedal. The Mini X costs $999 and is shipped in June. Both boards have a rear kick, all new 80mm wheels now custom-made by Boosted, 3 different speed modes, and use the same remote control used in larger boosted boards. The Mini is only 29.5 inches long, although it is still not particularly light. The S model weighs 15 pounds, and the largest battery in the X pushes its weight to 16.8 pounds.